Camila here, and today I'm going to have my baby going to try Gerber. But before that, I want to tell you this like really super sweet kind of story, I guess. So my husband and I went to grocery shopping today. Sorry, Mason wants to say hi. Say hi, friends. Say hi.
Hi.
So we went grocery shopping today, and on the way, like right by the parking lot entrance, there is this man, and he had his family. Like there's like a woman with 4 little kids sitting on the grass. So as we're getting closer, we see the man holding a sign saying that he had recently lost his job, and that he needed help to take care of his family, that he needed money for buying diapers and milk. And we kind of like felt bad because it's really hot out, and then they had like a small baby. So my husband, like right away when he saw that, well, as he's driving, I'm reading the sign, right? And there's like there's a little bit of traffic. So as soon as he heard me read it, he like grabbed his wallet and took out money so he can give it to him. And so as we were approaching him, we give him the money. He's super grateful and says thanks and God bless family and everything. So we go shopping, and before going home, I stopped at Jewel's, and I was in the baby section, and there's this other lady there, and she was like shopping as well for Gerber. So Avery just hit his 6 months, and I'm getting ready to start feeding him his Gerber. So I was just shopping and looking in there, and she was there too, and I don't know, I didn't think nothing of it. So we were just, you know, passed by, went about my day, went to go pay, and as I'm walking out, I go to my car, I take out all the bags, and she's like, hey, excuse me. Okay, so I turn around, and she's like, oh, you have a baby at home? And I'm like, yeah. And then she's like, oh, my sister doesn't use these. I wanted to give them to a baby. It was so sweet. God works in mysterious ways. She gave me a full bag of nothing but baby food. And I was like, oh my God, I was not expecting that. It was so sweet. It was so sweet of her. She didn't have to do that. And it's just like, I was like, oh my God, you know, like God works in mysterious ways. Like, not that I was like expecting anything, like doing a good deed to expect anything bad. But like, it was so sweet, and I was super grateful because she didn't have to do that. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and, oh my God, I'm burning my carne. I burned my carne, babe. Yeah. Ooh, it's nice and crispy. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and have Avery. Oh, I think
He's sleeping right now.
I'm gonna go ahead and, I had you guys all the way up here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to give him some Gerber and see how he likes it, and like you know, like film his reaction to it, and it'll be a cute memory that we'll have. So we're gonna record Avery's reaction. Okay. There.
Avery's like, what's going on?
He's like, why is it pointing at me? Oh wait. So he is going to eat carrots. Oh Jesus.
Oh, carrots.
It stinks.
Isn't it like applesauce or something? Mmm, that's nasty, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh, it was like sauce. That was nasty. He ain't gonna be able to do that. He can get back. He's just gonna get past the nastiness, right?
Yeah.
He's like, oh.
And this one?
He's just looking at the screen like, that's bright.
That's a true reaction, though. That's what's up, baby. Take it like a man. You full, puppy? Yeah, full.
He was getting sleepy. More?
Hey, look at the camera. He goes for this.
So he almost done with the whole thing. It's a good puppy. Hey guys, today's the next day, and we are going to go to Walmart to pick up some bins because we're trying to set up a whole like e-learning station / gaming room. And I'm trying to organize some of my husband's gym shoes and store them in some plastic bins and try to make this work. So we got the girls with us, Arya and Layla. They're watching a movie right now because they say that this car is boring.
Yeah. The movie is not boring. Yeah.
This is the desk, and then we have like stored stuff down there. And this desk is gonna go to Alexa, so she has a bigger space to work with. And I will show you right now. And this is originally a laundry room, but I never liked to have a washer dryer here because we have lots of trees in the back, and there's like a whole bunch of, what would you call it, like line issues?
Yeah, like sewer line issues.
Sewer line issues.
We had a backup before.
So I didn't want to, like, you know, mess anything up from the inside the house. So this is going to be the computer room slash gaming room, whatever you want to call it. And then yeah, the editing station. We're gonna have 2 chairs right here. And then, excuse me, can you stop being so loud?
She was watching the movie.
Was. And I'm going to like decorate the walls and see how it turns out, guys. But right now there's like chaos in the house because apparently everything is getting relocated for this. And I think we're really big procrastinators because we maybe should have done this like a week before e-learning literally is going to start on Monday. And let me go ahead and show you so I can wrap this video up. I'm going to show you how the hold on how this turned out. Give me a minute. Sorry, my children decided to game at this time. Okay, so really there. Okay, so this is how it's looking. They're able to set up their Chromebooks right here. The keyboard, we can easily just move it if we need to. This is the other screen. And then I decided to take these like wall vinyl, well, wall stickers, I guess I would say.
Why would you say that?
And then on the ceiling I also put like the racing Mario Kart. They're really cute because this is also going to be like a gaming room. So I put that, let me close the door, top of the door. There's still a few things that I need to put in here, like, ooh, sorry, like I have to figure out where I'm going to store like games, and maybe in the future I will get like a little cabinet, so gloomy, a cabinet where I can put their books, so I don't have like my whole countertop full of these books, but these are all their items here, and eventually maybe I can move them into a cabinet. I'm not sure how that's gonna, like, I don't want to do something drastic because I don't know if this is like a permanent whole year thing or is it just gonna be for semester. But for now, this is what our setup looks like. And yeah, hope these give you an idea for, I don't know, maybe this is helpful for someone. But that is what is going to be working for us, so wish us luck for our first e-learning day. Yes guys, so that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.